Give me a nice clear number. Or when we...
Stigmata and hop.
Hello Spook fans, and welcome to this episode where we investigate Warmley Clock Tower in Bristol. We went into this investigation pretty blind and not knowing what to expect or what actually haunts the clock tower, and we were not disappointed. This investigation was a public event hosted by our good friends at Everglow Investigations. There are links below in the description if you'd like to attend a future event. And as always, thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get on with the investigation.
Can you set off the device on the top of the wall again? Because it makes a really cool noise. I'd love to hear that again. Thank you.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Can you set off these two ones on the ends here now? So you've got this one here, and that one on the end there.
Two red lights?
The two red lights that
again?
beep. You can set those two off again, that'd be great.
That's one, thank you.
That's
Can you do
one.
that
Can you do that one?
Here's a red light.
Here's a red light. I'll
Thank
get that.
you very much. We'll give you that.
He likes that one.
Should like that one.
Back over here.
We'd love to use these devices to ask you some questions.
Okay, can you stop on that one and come and do one of these two?
Do you mind if we move it from there?
Don't mind at all, no.
Just in case there's like a...
I mean, it was silent for quite a long time.
It was.
Yeah, it is weird that it's now just going nuts. We're just going to put that one... Oh, doesn't like that, does it? Now that.
Sorry, I'm just going to move this now.
Yeah.
Where should we put it?
So you can still use it in a second. We're just going to move it somewhere new, okay?
Put it here.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Yeah, sounds good.
Okay, there you go. So it's back on now and you can use it again if you'd like to.
Well, wait for it to finish.
What does the blue, if it goes blue, mean?
North
Is it
polarity.
simulated?
Oh, I see,
Polarity
okay.
and south polarity.
Let's see what my next toy is going to be, perhaps.
I was to say, I bet you want that, don't you now?
Absolutely.
It's very cool. It makes
It does look really
noise.
cool.
So something
Right,
like
it's
Star
back
Wars.
on now, so if you want us to play with this one again, you have to move. I think that just flickered. You have to move over to this one and use it here.
Like that, thank you.
Thank you
There you
very
go,
much.
well done. Thank you very much. I wonder if you can set off all of them on the table. So
Yeah, can you do
starting with this one.
One by one.
Oh, okay, start with this one. Can you do this one next?
Yeah, walk down this row here and set each box off and change the colours on them, please.
She ran out of battery.
Yeah.
I've got a spare 9-volt battery if you want it.
It's four AAAs, would you
To be
believe?
fair, we should have said.
Thank
Okay,
you.
that one, that one.
There you
Thank
go.
you.
Number
Now,
two.
can we do this one?
Move on
Go
to
for
the
number
next
three.
This one will be the third. So we've done 1, 2, we do 3. Next.
one. Put the one on the end again that makes a really cool noise. Can you make that really cool noise again?
Not that one,
Not that
the other
end.
end.
Thank you.
That
for
end,
but
the one that was
The other
moved.
end of the
One
table.
here, look.
The one down near Patsy. Can you make that one go off? You just have to get close to it. Thank you.
What was that noise?
That sounds good.
Is that a radio noise, you reckon?
That was, yeah.
Okay.
Right. So there's another chance to communicate with us here. You can manipulate this to say words, names, give us a message.
Do you hear that?
Yeah.
There was something there, definitely. Speak as clearly as possible for us, please. It said like Michelle or something, I think.
It
They
said
do
something.
the fucking Doom's voice.
Say it really clear.
Oh, I'm sure.
It did, didn't it?
Are you trying to say Michelle? You light up a box.
Or give us a very clear yes.
Me and Mark think we saw something in this room last time. Can you tell us what it was? It was a portal. Swear to God.
It sounded like after you said that as well, it went no. And then another couple of things, and then maybe portal.
Yeah.
We thought we saw a doorway. Did we see a doorway or a portal?
Do you know what's really bizarre?
What?
Can't see it with the naked eye, but my camera's picking up a reflection on one of the paintings in there of the dots projector.
Yeah.
So it looks like there's a weird, like, green dot glow in there.
Yeah. What would you like to say to us? Give us your message. Say it nice and clear, really clear. It's definitely exciting there, isn't
It
it?
sounded like laughter, didn't it?
Yeah. How many spirits are here? How many spirits are in this building? Come on, give me a nice clear number. 4?
I heard one, but
I have 4, but then it sounded like it said it twice, like 44 maybe?
it was
4 or
some
44.
it was something was the thing.
Can you give us, we think we heard 4 spirits. Can you say yes or no? 4 spirits?
I mean, after not going off for a while, the temp sensor's now going mental, right?
Are you stuck here or are you visiting?
So like both the minute after you said it,
Yeah.
and then other shit afterwards. With the portal session suddenly falling flat, we decided to move to another area of the building which is currently used for spiritual worship.
Dance.
Dance and melody
Get them.
go together. Would you like us to dance for you?
You like dancing, perhaps get up.
I love dance. I don't really like dancing, but
It's a very good point, and this is why me and Catball's gone off again.
You really like that cat ball? We have loads on the table if you want to come and play with these things.
And this is what I mean by the Alice box may, after a period of no activity, just spit something out as a way to
Possibly.
maybe
I think
refresh
Neil
itself.
might be. I don't think it's even that. I think it's more Neil's probably right in that it's getting some kind of signal or energy and just trying to make something out of that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank
You asked it to come to the
I
table.
did.
I'm going to move that a
Do you
bit further
afraid?
away,
Yeah.
so it's not my mouth.
Just so we know that it's you, for sure. Can you touch something else on this table? If it's the same box or a different box, that's fine. But change the colour of something else on the table so we know you're here with us. And we can ask you some questions then.
Shop.
That doesn't mean much.
Say something else.
Hello.
It's so weird.
Why, what does it do?
It like boosts your hearing. So
Hello.
Let's say hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Set the
is it me you're looking for?
Oh, I was
Is it?
bell.
There was a knock over there as well.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Weirdly, the EMF's not gone off though, as it said hello. So
Is anyone here with us? Can you come talk to me? Did you hear it?
Granny.
Granny's here.
Granny. Is the young lady still here? Can you give me your name, please?
We'll let you have a go with the recorder when Neil's done.
Oh, okay.
It's weird.
It is weird. It's so good. I love it. I just do this all night.
Just walk around
with
it like.
Just walk around it all night. Recording. It's great.
The only when I did it off Hydra, the only thing is when that goes off, it's so loud compared to everything else. You're like, fucking hell.
I can hear them really loud.
Really, it's bizarre, isn't it? The cat has just gone off after a period of time of being dormant for quite a long time.
That's interesting that it hasn't been going off and off and
Yeah.
off and off.
No.
Which means it's not
Infrequent.
something. It's not something like the ball's
Potentially,
faulty.
potentially also not temperature related.
And south, we've got east and south now.
Did you hear one? Thank you very much. Same time again.
Pasta.
Interesting.
I too like pasta.
Well, I just talked about priests. I just said
You
that
think
you
she just
roll
said-
over a
Yeah,
priest.
yeah, and I made a
Priest.
terrible joke as well.
I like this. It's just that I can hear things now. That's amazing.
I've lost it now, haven't I?
You have. Ooh, it's got colder.
Oh, wow.
Feeling cold, cold, cold. Yeah, you are making it colder in here now.
To be
aren't
fair,
you?
it did just the temperature did just go up, so that just might be up and then.
It's weird that it went
down.
straight up. Why are you making it colder?
How can we help you?
That might have been me moving. My bag's not there.
You're miles away, mate. I don't think it was. How can we help you? I'm aware that's a very open-ended question, but
Do you like being here?
that's got to be a group. Can you set off one of the devices if you like being here? I'm gonna go check it. That was my knee, Patsy, in full stereo for you.
Can you hear better with that? That's it. Good.
Farthing.
A penny farthing. There was a
Fuck's sake, Mike.
Sorry,
Every time you knock, you fucking come
there,
at all.
there was a weird noise kitchenway, but it sounded like when a dishwasher releases steam or something, and then there was a continuous like click, click.
Did you go over
click.
there?
It's just a device in there.
Oh, okay.
It's not.
That started doing cold now only. It's been red all night. It's just suddenly started doing cold.
What's the EMF meter temperature sensor?
19.4.
So that's not. It's not actually gone down at all.
No, it keeps going up in fact.
Cremate.
Can you turn the temperature sensor hot for us? If cremate is a relevant word.
Can you make it warmer in here, please?
One thing I will say is when it hears something quite loud, or when we...
Stigmata.
And hot.
Hot what?
Hot stigmata.
Sexy stigmata, Neil.
Indeed.
Well, that's a religious stigmata.
Stigmata is, yeah.
Stigmata is
Say that again.
piercing through the
For the hands.
hands.
Poverty.
Wounds of God. Wounds of Jesus.
Yeah, the words of Jesus on the cross.
Sorry, what were you saying there about?
And hot when it went to hot.
That's true.
Yeah, it went hot, and then at the same
It's
time
true.
that went hot.
And that went off. Weirdly, the air pressure went off at the same time.
Thank you if that was you. Can you
This
give us
seems
some
to
more
have
information?
levels,
Yeah.
but it seems to decide what level to use.
When it
What-
gets,
So when it gets too loud, it seems
drops
to
it.
drop.
it does, yeah. When it
And then now it's at the top level because
when I first got it, it was really weird because it will auto adjust depending on how loud the
Yeah.
surroundings are. So I'm listening to it, and all of a sudden, when after we'd asked the question, it's quiet. It like boosts it,
yeah.
and that's why I guess people like using them. Thank you very much. I guess that's why people like using them because.
Thank you for watching. On the end screen now is another video I'm sure you'll love, and we'll see you in the next investigation.